This girl makes her own clothes by casting herself. You have to check this out.
Yeah, it's gonna be very talented, I guess.
Yeah,
Can you
I guess
imagine
so.
to do all this thing on you?
It's kind of a lot. It's kind of a lot to do.
Yeah.
So we have some silicone. We're pouring that down. Okay.
Yeah. If you're gonna do this, which part of your body you would do?
I can't say. Well, how about you?
I'm not sure that I that talented to do all these things, so I guess none of my part.
I guess I would do my arm. I feel like that would be easy, right?
Yeah.
Like you could still work with the other one, or I think that's probably the only option because like it would be really awkward. You couldn't move if it was your foot, for example. Yeah. If it's your chest, you really can't move your entire body. It's very impressive that she's doing it all by herself. Yeah. Okay, so now we take. Okay, that looks painful a little bit actually.
No, I couldn't do my chest. Can you imagine?
Yeah, sorry, especially if you have hair on it.
Yeah, that's why.
that would be so brutal. I'd be like, okay, I guess I'm wearing this forever.
I guess you will just not achieve the result which you want.
Yeah,
the final cast will be with
like a little hair in it and stuff. Yeah, that's gross.
So you need to shave yourself first, but I guess.
Okay, so we're taking the mold of this and we're gonna make a cast of clothing. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool.
Okay, interesting. It's like armor.
It is kind of like armor. Maybe it's gonna be like some armor from a video game or something like that.
Maybe.
Ooh, there's
with the flower.
Flowers on the inside.
Yeah.
Why on the inside?
This, female armor in the games, which less covering.
Yeah, it doesn't protect as much. Yeah. I mean, no, but it has the same stats as the bulky armor on the men. Yeah, it's pretty messed up. Okay.
Okay, what is next?
So, looks like we're gonna clean off the shell, make it look nice and tidy.
Just make it neat. Wow.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Interesting. I like that it has this part, for the here. It's like to hold it well.
Yeah, exactly.
Like to support the whole thing, which is kind of clever and
pretty cool.
Very cool. The leaves and flowers there looks
coming out clear. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
All right. So this is like mythical forest armor.
Yeah. Like a forest lady.
Yeah, nice. It looks pretty cool.
Yeah, that's very good, very nice, I would say.
Plus 2 armor. It's not very protective, but it does have a magic bonus. It's so confusing. What are we doing? Clay? Okay. It looks like a tree. It looks like a tree roots system.
Yeah. Bra roots.
Yeah, brutes.
Brutes.
The brutes.
And what is this?
I don't know. It's like a silicone mold.
Oh. I know something about this fashion.
Yes.
Ah! Wow, I thought
was so close.
Yeah. Oh, thanks God. I mean,
yeah,
it would be fun.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to post this. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so tin. We're using some tin. We're making metal mold. It looks kind of cool. I don't know how it's gonna fit on someone.
I think it bended well.
Yeah.
You can adjust it on your body. I guess so.
Okay.
This kind of metal should be shaped well.
We'll see. Ooh, that would be really satisfying, cutting off all the excess.
Okay, some additional pieces.
Not too bad. Not too bad. I like what I'm seeing.
Whoa!
Ooh, that looks sharp.
Yeah. And see. Oh,
and then they're bending it.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice.
Nice.
I'm afraid it's going to be pointy, like it's gonna poke into you.
That's true. That's true. You need to be careful with it.
Yeah. And then they're polishing it. I think they're gonna put like maybe some leather or something, and then they'll put it on top of the leather, so it won't poke you.
That would be a clever decision.
It might be that. I don't know.
We'll see now. See. Okay.
All right. That looks like a cool little craft room.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's what I think as well.
I'm interested to see this actually on someone. What does it look like? Or they're just not going to show us.
They're not going to show it.
Yeah. It's probably because it's too pointy. They tried it and they're like, nope. Maybe. After a couple lawsuits, they were like, nah. Okay, we got a long dress.
You were wrong.
I was wrong. It looks cool.
What's going on? Whoa, lady. Be careful. She just
How did she rip How did she just? Why is he laughing?
I don't know.
How do you find that funny? That's
It's
just
not
mean.
funny at all.
Don't laugh at her.
What's she gonna do here with all this?
Alas, she has a whole bunch of cloth. We
Oh,
know
they
where
are-
this is going. We know where this is.
Yeah, they was in a
Boom.
suits shop for all this situation. He ripped her
Of course.
t-shirt or whatever is this?
Hey, like camera
Of
guy,
course.
turn around.
Whoa, yeah,
Boom.
the public.
Now you have a piece of cloth on you. Congratulations.
So I'm curious how far it can go.
They're giving her a new Mexican look. And they're gonna finish with a sombrero, and she's good to go. Poncho.
It's good to be.
Yeah,
It's good to
they-
be. I
they
mean,
made, they made the poncho.
I wouldn't surprise.
Poncho!
Okay, they found the scissors. They already. Oh, they have second scissors.
What's better than one pair of scissors? Two pairs of scissors.
Yes, and okay. Oh, now they. But how are you gonna see?
You gotta be really careful when cutting on something.
So-
Don't nip them.
Now would be really useful that gadget, you know, for sewing.
The sewing gadget.
Yeah,
The one you keep in your
It's-
pocket. It's so small. Boom.
it's
Bish,
like a
bash,
stapler,
bosh. Yeah.
and you can go.
Are they
With
gonna
this
Are
and
they
this?
gonna staple her?
I think it's.
Oh no,
most
they're
probably.
they're already cutting the.
Yes,
They
but-
should have left the kind of geisha sways. Like the Japanese really long sleeves and stuff.
Maybe now it's kind of too short, and now what they gonna do? They gonna.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing? It's so close to her as well, to her hands.
I guess they just wanna make regular T-shirt, like.
Well, they definitely need to go back to regular t-shirt school. It is a staple.
Yeah,
Oh man, this is
But-
painful.
not that.
If you use magnet fishing on her, you probably catch her from all the metal in her shirt.
Yeah, good.
It's not bad. It's physics.
Get out of here!
Physics. It's physics.
Physics. I mean, no, it's not how it's gonna
Magnets attract
But
metal.
okay, let's say they're on this distance.
Yeah.
Some couple of these metal things.
Yeah.
The power of the magnet wouldn't be enough.
Pretty sure if you throw the magnet, at
Yeah.
her, it's gonna stick to her. It's gonna stick to the dog. We have to test it.
Now I got why we're not filming reaction together.
Shenanigans hashtag. Oh gosh.
Okay, they.
You know what can I say? It's cute.
It's
It's
Fine.
cute.
It's fine.
It's metal. Every time she goes to the airport, they'll say, "Miss, can you come again?"
What is she doing?
What?
Ooh. Okay. I mean, it happens, you know.
happens. It could happen.
What should I do?
I don't.
I don't know. Oh wait, no, she knows.
Oh, I have scissors.
Oh, this is weird.
No,
This isn't what you do.
we just got it off. Everything. Oh, the problem solved.
Yeah, that's it. No more.
So trash.
Back.
Back.
This is. That was like a Louis Vuitton dress, and now it's
Fashion.
bathroom Vuitton.
Bathroom the dawn. I like it.
Fixed with tape. Wow,
Ah.
this is next level actually.
It's some bra. Back bra.
Back bra.
Back bra.
Back bra. Okay, so it looks like a dress, sort of. Sure.
It's kind of weird.
Oh wait, they're adding frills on the side. Maybe it's gonna be like it looks like a prom dress. You know? If I ever had a date for prom, it would look, maybe like that.
Like that. Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
I wouldn't know. All right. Wow, it's really. I feel like you get hot in it though. Like it's plastic.
Of course, it's plastic, and it's like, yeah, I don't know.
That will make a nice belt.
I was wondering why they got it off all her dress
That's
before,
true.
it's
for
wasn't
material. It's for
Um,
crafting material.
Now we know, right?
Ah.
Just don't touch that part.
Yeah. Save that part for something else, some other craft. Okay, I think this is gonna be the corsage, like the. Oh no! Wow.
This cleaning lady should change her job, I
Yeah,
guess.
she should be paid more. They
Yeah.
should really, yeah. Wow. Okay, what's next? What are we thinking? Maybe a hat, a scarf.
Hat. No, I think it's for
Uh-oh.
sleeves. You know, it's like.
Uh-oh.
What?
What are we doing? Is it a handbag? It's a
Handbag's-
handbag?
Handbag?
Maybe.
Actually, I like this idea. It would be lovely. Just imagine she destroyed her bag.
I mean, if you destroy a dress, you might as well get a handbag back. You know? That yeah. Okay. Sure.
What about bucket? You destroyed bucket.
Yeah.
First of all, it's your acquirement.
No, that's
lady.
the helmet.
Now it's a helmet.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
She fresh.
Look at that. She fresh for sure. Bam.
Okie dokie.